put them up, them used to let me down, huh? Nice to know ya, like a chauffeur. Me left them at them stop cause the ride was over. Just a sinner, alpha hunt my dinner. Work when them asleep, that's why me ting up, me and a dreamer. My hunger
You know, like you flow that freestyle.
Can't fool unless me full up a arena. So till then, me not have no time for laugh. Me not hyena for my son.
So she not nothing for laugh until she full up a arena. You mean, girl, go for that, man. I'm to you.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with a hit and a smash and a yeah, man, people, let's see if I take over deal with them, man. Yeah, man. Today, people me on Instagram, you know, how me I scroll past. You see me, I see this little snippet. You see me? And when check it out, it's a freestyle from an artist. So man probably know already. You see me? But she's new to the channel. I haven't react to anything from her on the channel as yet. You know, talking about Shenseea. Yeah, man, and she on the Instagram say she do a LA Leakers freestyle. You see me, see like a snippet, I'm like, you might have to see the whole thing. You see me? So yeah, man, so that we're gonna react to today. Yeah, man, today Shenseea. This is LA Leakers, okay? Shenseea freestyle. That's freestyle number 136. Yeah, man, seems like Shenseea do her thing, you know. Seems real talented artist, you know what I'm saying? And you see me, with time, you see me on the channel, we haven't had much female artists on the channel yet. So you see me, I'm gonna mix it up today. Yeah, man. So we're gonna jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. I don't know. And from returning to videos and subscribe, I don't know, I'm loving when I cook food. You see me? But we're gonna jump right now, chat, man. You see me? This is Shenseea unleashes Kingston energy with bars over Lauryn Hill's doo-wop. That thing and freestyle 136. Yeah, man, that's LA Leakers freestyle 136. Shenseea. We'll jump right now and see what I'm going. Yeah, man.
Yeah, LA Leakers, just incredible DJ Sour Milk.
Let's get it.
Kingston, Jamaica's here, boy.
Yeah, it's a special night tonight.
We're gonna go crazy.
Yeah, we got Shenseea in here. Grammy nominated.
Oh, boy.
Come on, man. Album on the way.
Okay. That's just how we do it.
Let's get it tonight.
Love music ever since I was a kid. From a did lick, me did know me I go big. Think I wouldn't last longer than the inches on my wig.
Nah, like before she look like a star, don't it, man? Yeah, man. Look like she'll make her money. What you mean? Shenseea bad, you know? Pretty girl, lie, man.
The lyrics wanna spit right now, me need a bib, huh? But as a hustler, so me a go for ya. Enough not believing I'ma till me get popular. Me will lock down the baddest man and me na officer. I'm one in a million like Aliyah.
So she will lock down the baddest man and she an officer. One of me like Aliyah. Hey, you got it.
My left you better not hit my bone. I said I remember through my grown, but them no member when me put them up, them used to let me down, huh? Nice to know ya, like a chauffeur. Me left them at them stop cause the ride was over. Just a sinner, alpha hunt my dinner. Work when them asleep, that's why me ting up, me and a dreamer. My hunger
You know, like you flow that freestyle.
can't fool unless me full up a arena. So till then, me not have no time for laugh. Me not hyena for my son.
So she not nothing for laugh until she full up a arena. You mean, girl, go for that, man. I'm to you.
You get shot and me and 30 kilo 9mm bullet faster than Shelly run 100 meter. Me no Twitter, me kick ass like the ball we in a FIFA. Me watch all friends turn and them Latina. And if me give you banana no Easter.
Easy now. I'm to you.
No matter how you run, how me quick you can't.
Force in her thing, man. Come on, in a woman way, but she still a keep it away where a man can listen to it. I have to give her props. You see me? She a freestyle. She a give her metaphors them in a woman way, but still in a way where a man can listen to it and say, yeah, most girls them after talk about all type of suck this and yeah, she mad, man.
Okay, Chachita, what up, please, yeah, it is, yeah, that's how I feel, and everybody want that Jamaican thing, yeah, but girls, you know you better watch out.
Come on.
Some guys are only about that thing. Yeah, be a big girl, that's just how we do.
Some man It's just about that thing too. You have to be fair, you know. Oh, okay, I can't talk one side. Hey.
Wait, I'm from Kingston, Jamaica.
Yeah.
I'm a great, but me I go get greater. When me a
People only think, gonna go on, like up the video, man. Like up the video, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll go on.
move, me not show indicator.
Wow. Shit, Shenseea going crazy.
Hold on, everybody from Kingston can do that? Can everybody do that right there?
I'm teaching those who can.
Yeah!
Say, should I teach you those who can't talk? Who should I drop a word for, eh?
Shenseea is here. It's a beautiful thing, man. LA Leaker Freestyle, thank you for coming through.
Thank you for having me.
March 11th, the album Alpha. Make sure
Yes.
y'all check that out.
Yeah.
You already know the energy. We on Power 106, LA's number one for
Know
hip-hop.
that.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for having me, Alika. We're out.
That was definitely. Yeah, man. That was real dope. That was real dope. I can't lie. What y'all think about that? Yeah, man. That was dope. Shenseea show off her skills. She definitely got skills. They don't know, say she's not just a pretty face. She have skills, man. Can freestyle and them thing there. Real dope. People me know definitely go show your artists some love. Show LA Leakers, big up them Power 106 FM. I don't know, big up them with that. You know, real dope. You know, give her exposure. You see me show off her talent. You know, it's a good look. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, Shenseea looking like a real star. People. Yeah, man, let me know anything in the comment section. Definitely like this video, subscribe, you know, turn on the notification bell and let me know. You see me, so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. You don't know? Returning viewers, my love like cook food. Till next time, let me know what you think. Really dope track. Till next time, it's your boy Jambisco. I was back when I hit and I smash and I banger. Love you guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.